How to get a Fortnite refund from the FTC settlement. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In December 2022, the FTC and Epic Games settled an investigation over deceptive practices and privacy violation. The resolution included a $245 million in consumer refunds and a $275 million in civil penalties for violating the children's privacy law. FTC issued an initial round of refunds in December 2024 over $72 million. Likewise, in June 2025, the FTC distributed a second wave of refunds which included $126 million. You might be eligible if you fall in the categories such as charged for in-game currency or items you did not want to buy between January 2017 to September 2022. Your child made an unauthorized purchase using your payment method, or your account was locked between the time frame of January 2017 to September 2022. To file a claim, you need to go to www.ftc.government/Fortnite and access the claim form. The claims process was reopened and was closed on July 9, 2025. So if you want to know more about your claim status, you can contact the Response Link, the refund administrator, via the information given in the ftc.government page. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.